Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
What's your name, brother?
My name is Saidur Rahman, and you?
And well, my name is Naimul Hassan. Where are you from, brother?
I'm from Borishal, and my sub-district is Muladi.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Yes, I am from Sylhet, and of course, you know, Sylhet is a most popular and a
Most
beautiful,
popular and
beautiful city in Bangladesh.
that area is very natural and
Yes,
uh,
in Sylhet Bay, in Sylhet, very natural places are located like Jaflong, White Stone,
oh no,
waterfall, and
already
tea garden.
I went to go 2 times.
Wow, it's very nice. When?
The-
When you
Almost 4 years ago.
home? Yes. Wow, good. Very good. Are you completed your honors and master's degree?
I'm studying at BSS. I'm studying BSS last year, and at government Islamic Degree College. It's beside highway. It's drive 1 hour from Dhaka.
Oh, good.
What are you located? What is your located in your college?
Yes, my college is located in at Demra in Dhaka.
Oh, I see.
And my college name is Darun Najat Siddiqui Kamil
Oh.
Madrasa.
You studied
It's,
at Darun Najat.
Yes, it's
There
a
is
good, very
popular
and
madrasa in our
madrasa
country.
yes, of course, of course.
Okay.
And I have completed my masters in this year
Well,
in Hadith under the
Hadith.
Islamic Arabic University.
Oh, I see. That means you are muhaddis.
Yes, of course.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Why are you coming English fantasy?
I came English fantasy for learning English, and I want to be a fluent speaker. So I went here. And you?
Of course, I went here because I want to go abroad in a higher education, and I will be want better life.
Okay,
That's
good.
why I came here.
Wow. Which country do you like most for abroad?
My dream country is Finland.
Finland. Wow,
Finland
it's a
because
good country.
okay. Also, I dream country in South Korea.
South Korea.
South
Wow.
Korea because my elder brother is staying there for 6 months.
Wow,
Okay.
good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.